Okay, here's the next step. You're going to cut out your pieces. Do this with a partner. This plate is really heavy, especially if we have a full 4x4 plate. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm lining the plate up against these blocks here, and I'm lining it over here against the blocks on this side. So the plate needs to be against this block, this block, this block, and this block, so that it's all the way up in the right-hand corner. Okay, now that it's in that location, I'm gonna count over. So there's one pattern here, 2 patterns, 3 patterns, 4 patterns. So I'm gonna cut out the 5th pattern over here. Okay. So here's what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, so the first 4 patterns have all been cut out. So that's all the way to here. These have already been cut out. So we're gonna do the 5th one over here. So what I'm gonna do is gonna draw a box around these pieces that I wanna cut out. So I have 2 X's, 2 circles, an axe, and a support beam. And I'm gonna go to machine and cut preview. Okay, that shows me how the machine's gonna cut. I'm gonna watch it. Okay, then I'm gonna go close and I'm gonna go machine initialize. What that does is it moves the carriage all the way into the corner. So you can see the carriage there. I'm gonna hit initialize again just so you can see it. Machine. So it's just, it knows that it's in the corner now. And I'm not gonna cut this pattern out. I'm gonna have you cut it out, but I'm gonna show you what you would do to cut it out. So I'm gonna go to machine and cut. So the torch is off right now, so you didn't see it cut, but if I had the torch on, then it would have cut that out for us. I'm gonna click OK. And